Hi, I'm Ted Martinez, and I'm going to show you the installation of the door bullet. Right now we're going to do the installation of the floor bushing. Items we're going to need for the installation of the bushing: I have already pre-rolled an amount of plumber's putty, got the floor bushing, some construction adhesive, hammer, half-inch drill bit, a drill, and some water. First, what we do is we find our point where we're going to install the bushing. Then we take our drill bit, and if you have a ceramic tile in the front, what you do is you take that drill bit and you tap ever so lightly on the point where you're going to be drilling. What that does is it knocks off the ceramic coating and allows your bit to start to dig in deep when you're drilling for your bushing. Then you take your plumber's putty, kind of roll it into a snake like so. What your plumber's putty is going to do is it's going to act like a dam so that you can pour some water in there. And what the water does is when you're drilling, it helps to prevent the friction. Put that down, and then you start to push the outside so it kind of creates a dam. Push down the outside so it creates a dam. Like so. Take your water, pour a little bit of water in there to kind of fill that up. It doesn't have to be overflowing, it doesn't take that much water. Because like I said, what we're doing is we're cutting down on the friction and the heat that the friction causes with that water. You install your bit. Go ahead and tighten it down. After tightening your bit down, you're ready to drill. You want to hold your drill at a 90-degree angle. Then go ahead and begin drilling. What you want to do is also make sure that you go down a half-inch. If you go any deeper than an inch and a half, it's okay. This is going to bottom out and the top will bottom out. So even if your hole's a little bit deeper than an inch and a half, you'll be okay, even if you go a little further. So then what you do is you clear the debris out of the way. Once you're down an inch and a half, go ahead and draw everything out, clean it up. Perfect. Take your drill, kind of auger that in. That just brings up the excess. Now we're going to want to do a dry fit with your bushing. Take your bushing, slide that in there. If it doesn't fit in, go ahead and take your drill, drill out a little bit more. Don't jam it in there immediately. Like I said, you want to dry fit it in first. So once it's dry fitted in, that means when you put your construction adhesive, in there, it's not all going to smear off and get stuck on the sides. So like I said, keep on working at your hole until it goes in nice and simple and smooth. Almost there. Close, should be there. You might see a little marring of the tile around the areas that you're drilling. However, that top part of the bushing is going to go ahead and cover that up. So you'll be fine. Once that fits in there smooth, like that, and the dry fit's comfortable and you're comfortable with it, go ahead and give it a little test. Shut your door. Drop it in, and that's going to work. So comfortable with where your bushing's at and how it's fitting. Pull it out and add a moderate amount of construction adhesive. Going to be a big one. There it goes. There it is. It's rather thick, so as you're putting it on, it's a thick adhesive. So what you're going to need to do, make sure the plug is cleared. And it should start to flow pretty simple, like paste, like toothpaste. Once that comes out, go ahead and add your adhesive. Spit it around, put a generous amount on it. Starting from the bottom to the sides, up to the sides, and spread it around, kind of like toothpaste. And once you're comfortable with the amount of adhesive you have on there, go ahead and slide it into the hole. Once it goes down, take a rag and clean around the edges. Want to make sure you clean this adhesive off fairly well so that none of it is just left on the outside of your bushing here. And remember, you don't want this thing to come back up, so go ahead and add a little bit underneath the lip also, so that when that is pushed down flush, it'll go ahead and administer all the way down. And then wipe the excess off neatly. Don't forget not to get any inside the bushing hole. You want to protect that as best you can. And once you have that done, cameraman,